guys, welcome back to my video. In today's video, we're gonna do a bike check. So, pretty much, I did this before, pretty much the first one, but it was ugly. I don't wanna show that to you guys. So, pretty much, I'm gonna do second scene, maybe second video, because the first video was so horrible and it was not good. So, pretty much, I'm gonna explain to you the first one I edited. She's the first bike check I ever had, and I have the camel tires. And literally, it wasn't camel tires. It's just that's what I put on my bike. Just maybe paint it a little bit, and now I remove it because I don't like the design anymore. And let's go to the bike check. So you can see that the bike. Pretty much the last of the video. I'm gonna show you guys the bike on the last video. So watch this video before till the end so you can see the what's this? Oh yeah, the picture of the camel tires. So pretty much I also might give away some stuff. I might give away this tire here. I pretty much have two of this thing. I might. So pretty much I will make a decision if I gonna give this away to you guys, but I'm not sure yet if I will be giving this away because I might use it in the future, something like that. So just gonna put it right there, and we're gonna go to the bike. So let's go to the bike. So this is the bike. So we got this is pretty much a camel before. I just removed it because it wasn't really that cool. Don't mind talking at the background. So we got now we have the Ninja tire tractor grip tires. I don't know what's the brand, but it's made in Philippines. We got the Stark rim, Stark spoke, Stark hub. This back wheel is pretty much tackled. As you can see, I don't know if you can see this. I'm gonna show you if I don't know if you can see this. No, it's hard to spin this. Hold on. I'll show you. It's actually tackled right now. One spoke is broken off. I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually tackled. It's moving like this because my phone is littered up blurry. Sorry guys, because I'm using my old phone because my new phone was flipping dead. So got that Ninja tire. Pretty much I put bands in here for no reason, maybe for designs. So we go to the front end. Got star kind of bars. Didn't cut this because I have no time to cut this. I don't have the proper tools, so we're gonna stay with this. And I'm still. It's actually pretty much comparable to ride with this, especially with this unique feature. This is the rectangle crossbars. Still have so many stickers that we got. But the most with BMX, Pansis Pro, crew over here, the flipping bugs over here, the flatting bugs. So you have this sticker here, FTL, Join Cruise and Bung Street BMX. Shorty. So pretty much that's it. So GT stem. I've been running this for the past few months. Just GT stem, GT headset, screw, GT forks. Same with this. We got Ninja tires, Stark rim, spoke, hub. Pretty much the front end. Stark frame, but I call this the two-ear frame. Two-ear because of this feature that the bottom tube sticks with the top tube. Got same stickers here. unknown bells, which is I don't know what's the brand is because I don't even know what I bought. Jane also I don't know what's the brand is. Pretty much I just draw this some stuff. We got a saddle seat given by a friend. Shout out to Chow Chow. Pretty much my neighbor because my seat is so flippin'. So flippin' rip. Rip. Don't mind the background. So pretty much this part I'm running. Oh, also we got a star pre-coaster here. Something like that. This is a bike. I've been riding this for maybe a month because this is my old frame. This is literally the old frame. I'm gonna show you guys. This is an old frame. Count Vans FTL and YCTLA. Too short. You know what I mean. You know whose bike is this might be. It's anti-pandas. Yeah, some other stickers here. I don't wanna say this, but I'm not gonna. I'm not. Old frame, silver. It's pretty much the best frame that I have, and it broke because of last bunny up and broke. We got a crack rear. If you can hear that, that's a crack. I can let you move it around. That's why I changed this to the black because I have another bike that is also broken, but the frame is fine. Which is this is the parts from the old one, which is this frame. Pretty much I change it up and just turn it like this. Beautiful bike. So pretty much that's bike check. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe to my channel, please. Please subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Peace.
Grind every day, I'm ballin', I can't help it. Niggas on that bullshit, my pockets full of Celtics. And them niggas hating on us, get our best wishes. In the club, you ain't even on the guest list, bitch. Sound like you need to get your way.